Hello, good morning. In this video, I will show you an alternative way to create a dynamic data slicer that allows you to filter between periods like year to date, last week, last month, and last 6 months, for example. This approach is extremely useful for time-based measures and financial stock dashboards. To build a calendar table which connects facts and dimension, there are many possible approaches. In this case, we use the calendar table based on minimum values and maximum values in the datasets, ensuring the model always stays up to date. This dashboard aims to emulate Google Finance style experience, and we plan to add more metrics and reference later on. So comment if you have any ideas that you want to add over here. To create a slicers with different time period, we must add calculated columns to the calendar table and create, this is the most important, create a separate table with unique period values. This cannot be with field parameters because they are processed differently and can conflict with key metrics, preventing proper filterings in the dashboard. So you need to use it with a separate table, not field parameter. In the calendar table, we create these calculate columns that return 1 if the data belongs to the period or 0 otherwise. In every measure, we try to get the same formula styles in year to date, last week, last month, using the max in here, end of month, end of date, and every value that adapt to our period that we need this context. After that, we need to create the measure with the switch that has a selected value that detects the selected period and map it directly to the corresponding calendar flag using the select value to the table with all the distinct value and selecting the column that corresponds with the last 6 months, last week, last month, and all of them. After that, we then add this measure as a visual level filter, keeping only values that are equal to 1. This filter can remain hidden so the end user interacts only with the slicer. And if you want all the KPIs be affected by this slicer, you need to go to the measure. For example, in our case, for this min and max, use in the calculate the max and use filter, and after that all selected, and we put the measure we create, in this case stock by selected period, equal to 1 to be respect on the slicer. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any ideas for future improvement you want to see. See you on next video. Bye bye.